Hi, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. So today I'm going to be talking about sales, okay? My best tips to help you increase your sales, okay? And I'm going to give you three major things that I want to help you with, okay? Number one is the pre-work, okay? Number two is the visualization. Number three, maintaining a positive mental attitude, okay? So it's not really about the sales in the process, right? So I'm gonna give you these three things, okay? Now, what I'm getting all of this from the Path to Agreement is Bob Proctor's coaching sales program, okay? But I'm giving it to you here, okay? Now, number one, okay? You have to have a warm-up in your mind, okay? That means that I want you to say affirmations. Say affirmations about sales. I am the best salesman in the world. My sales are improving every day. I get better every day at sales. I'm a natural at sales, okay? So I want you to have those ideas. Now, if you're like, I don't really like this, then you need to stick in with number one and stick with number one until you really believe that you're good at sales, that you love money, that money flows to you, okay? Because that's a mind consciousness situation, okay? That you have to take care of. Okay, I love money. Okay, money is welcome in my home. You can see there's a $1 million bill right there, okay? And I have money signs on this right here. You can't really see it, but you could probably, maybe you can see a little bit, okay? So, money's in the air. Okay, number two is that you have to visualize. You gotta visualize the end. How does the end feel and look like, okay? Is it a scoreboard at your work, or is it a board, a whiteboard that has your sales? Is it the amount of money that reveals the amount of sales that you've done? Okay, the production that you've done. What is real to you? Okay, for me, I use different things all the time. I picture a workmate saying, "Hey, good job," right? Or I create a board. I create my own scoreboard and have the numbers that I want to see on the board, and I say, "This is reality." I call it reality. Okay, because reality is what's in the mind. Okay, we'll get into this more if you watch more of my videos. Reality is what's in the mind. So I picture the end. Okay, number two, I picture the end, or I see a submitted. If it's a document that they need to submitted. I see it. All right, or I see the board, the numbers in my mind. I see, okay, I got 1 or 3 sales this day. 3 sales. I see the 3. I see the 3. I see the date, and I see the 3. And now I asked here. This is what I ask. How do I feel now that I've achieved my sales goal? My sales goal. For me, I feel confident. I feel good. I feel confident. I even I walk a certain way. I walk a certain way. You know. Now, that's what you got to ask yourself for anything in life. For anything, okay. You got to ask yourself, how do you feel? Recently, I manifested my dream truck, Chevy Avalanche. They don't make those anymore. I got a specific color, specific brand of car that they don't make anymore. And I didn't have the one when I said I was going to get it. I just said I was going to get it, and I got it. Okay? I have made a video about that. It's called the 4 ways to manifest your goals. Okay? That's the video. That's the name of the video. Okay. Now, I'll put the link in the description. Now, number 3 is maintaining a positive mental attitude. You want to maintain a positive mental attitude. Okay. Flash something in your mind that reminds you of a good memory. Okay. Or picture the sale. Picture the sale again. How does it feel now that you're there? You're in that vibration. You're in a good vibration. Okay. You want to do good, okay? You want to see something good in your mind, okay? Also, you want to give. Here's another thing. Give. Every day you should be giving people something. Give people a gift, words of affirmation, You know, actually the 5 love language, right? There's the 5 love languages. I think it's gifts, touch, quality time, acts of service, and words of affirmation, right? That's giving. Give that to somebody. Okay, they don't have to be your lover or somebody you want, you know, like as a partner, right? Just give, and you're gonna be in a positive vibration. Guess what? The universe is gonna give back what you want, and you want that sale, you're gonna get that sale. Okay. At the same time, what you're seeking is seeking you, because that's the law of vibration. Once you're in a certain vibration, everything starts coming to you slowly, but you're moving towards it too. You got to take the action too, if you feel the action. Okay. Sometimes it might walk through your door, sometimes it may not. Okay. But the first action I had to do was see it. Okay. See it and maintain a positive vibration. Don't let negativity come into your mind. Okay, for example, I live on my own. I don't live with nobody. Okay, I don't have a partner yet, or else she would be living with me. But she has to have the same positive mindset. She has to study these materials as well. Okay, that's one of our requirements. You know, I'm sure for her it's gonna be the same. Okay, so those are the 3 things you need to do for sales. Okay, for sales. Now I'm gonna go into the program. More of the path to agreement practical steps. But those are the 3 things I would recommend to you to really succeed, see the end. Okay, for the 3rd step, that was the 3rd step, right? Stay in a positive vibration. Number 2 is visualize it, live in the end, live as is already there. Okay, I think it's over here. Okay, so the first part of the program is all about psychology. It's conscious mind, subconscious mind, okay, and the body. Now here, I'm going to go over these 6 fundamental steps in sales, okay? This is sales, and this is the way Bob Proctor teaches it. You know, I've learned from Grant. I took some of Grant Cardone's programs. They're good. They're okay. I read The Wolf of Wall Street, the guy, what's his name? Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort's way is sort of close to Bob Proctor, but Bob Proctor is very easy and clear, okay, to understand. Okay, now here are the practical steps. Step 1, attention. Okay, you need to have attention of the prospect. The attention of the prospect. So this involves you getting attention of their conscious mind. The conscious mind is hear, taste, touch, smell. Okay, hear, taste, touch, smell, and feel. Okay, you could touch their hand. You can say, "Hey, how are you?" And right, give them a visual. Give them a visual. All right, get their attention. But the best way to do this is ask questions. How are you today? Do you like water? Do you like to eat? You know, do you do taxes? All right. Do you want to get in shape? You know. Number 2, get them interested. So you must get the prospect interested in your idea. This involves activity of the conscious mind, leads to the harmonious activity of the subconscious mind. Okay, get them interested. Get them feeling the product or service. Like, how would you feel if you would, be driving this truck? How would you feel if we relieved your debt? How would you feel if you were in shape already? Right? How would you feel if you bought this home? If you owned this home? How would you feel if you got the solar panel? And you're saving a lot of money? How would you feel? How would you feel if I could get you whatever you want in life by teaching you these laws? Right? You start asking those questions, start getting that feeling. Step 3, desire. You must get the prospect to want what you have. This involves the activity of subconscious mind, emotional mind, and leads to physical activities to get them emotionally involved. Once you got them emotionally involved, like, oh yeah, that would feel amazing. Boom. You got desire. Okay. Step 4 is action. Okay. Asking for the order. If you can't close, you can't sell. You can't close, can't sell. All right. You need to close, meaning you got to ask for the credit card or the cash. You must give the prospect a directive to purchase what you're selling. This involves the physical expression of mental activity. Your physical expression of mental activity. It indicates successful transaction of steps 1 through 3 and leads to positive results. Okay. Okay. Miguel. Now, for the truck that you want, Okay, now Miguel, for the down payment that you want, that is your dream truck that you've been thinking about the last 2 months every single day, it's going to be $3,000 down payment. Here you go. Sign here. Sign here. It's not a question, it's a directive. Okay, that's a difference. It's not a question, it's a directive. Okay? You're giving them direction and you're telling them, not asking them. But you know that's what they want. Okay? For example, if somebody's thirsty, they haven't drank any water. They said, hey, well, I'm selling these waters for $1. Okay, Miguel, for the water that you want, it's going to be $1. Is that going to be debit, credit, or cash? Debit, credit, or cash? Debit, credit, or cash? Or is it, do you want to pay? Do you want to buy it? Do you want to buy? No, you know they want to buy. That's why they're there. That's why they're listening to you. Okay? It's a difference between an order taker and a salesperson, a closer. That's a difference. Give a directive, you give an order. Okay? You tell them. But you know that they need it, okay? You want to make sure you're giving them value. You're not selling ice cream to an Eskimo, right? If I already have an Avalanche trunk, somebody's like, come on, Miguel, get another Avalanche truck. You know you want a black one, but I know you have one, but just get another one, come on. And they do some psychological tricks on me, right? They could do something like that. You could do things like that. There are psychological hacks to do that. But if you do that, more will be taken from you. If you take from somebody when it's not right, more will be taken from you. Okay? And I know this from personal experience. Step 5. Let your prospects know they are now a client of your company, and your responsibility as a salesperson is to be of service to them. Okay? It's about communicating an idea to them that they have moved from being a prospect to being a client to a sales and leads. Now this leads to 6, okay? Let them know that they're a client, that they're in good hands, and they're going to always have faith in you, trusting you for any further questions and assistance, okay? Now, step 6, proper service ensures that your client does not leave your company to become a client of another company in your market, okay? Follow up with your client and say, hey, how are you? How can I be more of service? Is there any problems going on? If there's problems, you're the solution, okay? Problems are good because you're the solution, okay? Problems are good because you're the solution. This involves ongoing communication and professional service, which also leads to additional business volume and never-ending flow of new customers. Yeah. Ongoing communication and professional service. Like I mentioned. See, I didn't even know this was the next line, but I just knew it from being a personal trainer, being an online coach, okay? Yeah. So there you have it. But before you get into all the action steps, you got to see yourself, okay? Doing the thing, okay? Seeing the end. Okay, number 1, have affirmations, okay? If you want, you can also do some training. This is what I do. Before every day that I get on a sales call, I visualize the sales call in depth, step by step. If I have a script, okay, if I have a script, I do it step by step. Later on, if you don't have a script, then you could create the script and you understand how the steps go, how they flow, and you create them accordingly. Okay, you create the script accordingly, and you could go through it in your mind. Like it's called simulation. Okay, similar to visualization, simulation, but the difference between simulation and visualization is you just see the end. Okay, you're just in the moment of feeling great that it's already done. Okay, it's already done. Okay. It's not about going through the process. Right now, going through the process is just kind of creating a memory, creating muscles so you can respond and you can react fast. Okay, when somebody gives you an objection, you want to react fast. You don't want to stop and think, and it just doesn't look professional at all as a salesperson. Okay, so that's the pre-work. A basketball player does not just jump into a full-on game without warm-ups, without stretching, without shooting the ball. You have to warm up. That's your warm-up. The affirmations and going through the a simulation is a warm-up. You could do it with somebody else. You can role play with somebody as well. They both work. Number 2, visualize the end. See the end. Who's congratulating you? What do you see? Do you see a board? Do you see numbers on your Excel sheet? Right? Do you see a certain amount of numbers, a certain amount of money at the end of the day? See it, feel it, describe it, move around, move something, type something, shake someone's hand, hear somebody. For my truck, I heard the car, I felt it, I was driving it, right? And number 3 of the pre-work, okay, is stay in a positive mental attitude. So it's kind of like, so you begin with the positive mental attitude and you continue on with the positive mental attitude. Just flash the end, or think about a baby, think about something that you love, and it makes you feel good, okay? If this pre-work stuff is kind of making you feel making you feel bad, you got to work on the affirmations and get better with sales and money. You have a mind consciousness situation you got to take care of, okay? It's neither good or bad. You just got to take care of it, all right? Now, this is it. I hope you like this one, and I'll be uploading it. I'm going to call it 3 ways to improve your sales, okay? Bob Proctor's Path to Agreement. Okay? Hope you like this one. Thank you. And if you want to learn more about how to keep a positive mental attitude, how to visualize, how to increase your income, how to create multiple streams of income, how to get better in sales, click the link in the description to get access to MSI Connect, Multiple Streams of Income Connect, okay? It's a program with Bob Proctor. I'm in it. It helped me double my income. It helped me create multiple streams of income. I wrote a few books now that I have uploaded on MSI Connect and on Amazon. So check it out. It'll help you out a lot, and I recommend it. Click the link in my description. Thank you.